Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have a Google account and the Drive files you need. Once verified, open Colab and create a new notebook. Now, choose the Python 3 runtime to ensure compatibility. Then type and run the import statement from Google. Colab import Drive. This gives you the Drive module to mount. You do this early so the notebook can access files like datasets or models. Make sure to set a clear mount path so you know where files will appear. Once you run Drive, mount /content/drive, Colab prints an authorization URL, click it and sign into your Google account to grant access. You will receive a one-time OAuth code. Copy that code and paste it into the Colab input prompt. This completes authorization. After mounting, use standard file operations. List directories, open files, or load datasets from /content/drive/my-drive. This process creates a live link so your notebook reads and writes directly to Drive, making workflows reproducible and to finish, verify access by listing files with ls or using Python's OS. Path to check existence. Once confirmed, load data and run experiments. When finished, clean up by calling Drive, flush and unmount, or simply restart the runtime to release handles. If you encounter permission errors or missing files, unmount and rerun the mount sequence, making sure you authorize the correct Google account. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched account sessions are the most common cause. Reauthorize explicitly to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.